Rev up your ride, essential car hacks and restoration secrets. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be sharing the secrets to essential car hacks and restoration. Ready to transform your car from drab to fab? Buckle up because we're diving into a world of DIY car hacks and restoration tips that will save you money and make you the envy of every car enthusiast on the block. Let's get started. These aren't just tricks, they're game changers. We're talking about simple, effective solutions to common car problems that anyone can do. Get ready to impress your friends with your newfound automotive wizardry. Forget expensive detailing. Did you know toothpaste can make foggy headlights crystal clear? Just rub it on with a cloth, rinse, and prepare to be amazed. It's like magic. Keep your dashboard dust-free with coffee filters. They're lint-free and perfect for the job. Add a tiny drop of olive oil for extra shine. Your dashboard will thank you. Blast away dust from your vents with compressed air. It's quick, easy, and keeps your car smelling fresh. No more dusty air blowing in your face. Cupcake liners in your cup holders? Genius. They catch spills and crumbs, making cleanup a breeze. Say goodbye to sticky cup holders forever. Tired of a messy car? Hang garbage cans on the back of headrests for easy disposal of trash. Keep your car clean and clutter-free. Plastic containers are your trunk's best friend. Organize groceries, tools, and emergency supplies with ease. No more digging through a chaotic trunk. A magnetic phone mount on your dash keeps your phone secure and visible. Stay connected and hands-free while driving. Safety first. Don't let winter slow you down. A DIY de-icer of 3 parts water and 1 part white vinegar melts ice in seconds. Save money and stay safe on the road. Prevent frost by covering your windshield with refuse sacks or an old sheet. Wake up to a clear windshield every morning. No more scraping ice in the freezing cold. Frozen locks? Hand sanitizer to the rescue. The alcohol melts the ice instantly. A must-have for winter emergencies. Keep wiper blades off the windshield with rubber bands to prevent them from freezing to the glass. Extend the life of your wipers and improve visibility. Apply cooking spray to door seals to prevent freezing. No more struggling to open frozen doors. Keep cat litter or cardboard in your trunk for extra traction in snow. Get unstuck quickly and easily. Winter driving just got a whole lot easier. Want to save money at the pump? Hypermiling techniques can boost your fuel efficiency. Drive smarter, not harder. Leave extra space between cars, coast to stops, and drive in slow lanes to reduce fuel consumption. Every little bit helps. Driving behind large vehicles reduces wind resistance, improving your gas mileage. Just be sure to maintain a safe following distance. Remove stubborn stickers with a hairdryer. Heat softens the adhesive, making removal a breeze. Say goodbye to sticky residue. Keep takeout food warm with your seat warmers. Enjoy hot meals on the go, a perfect solution for food deliveries. Turn a scissor jack into a powerful tool with a drill and a big circle hook. Lift heavy objects with ease. DIY ingenuity at its finest. Mix paraffin with white spirit and carefully apply to the car windows using a dry, soft cloth for an anti-rain solution. Improve visibility in wet weather. Drive safely in the rain. Ready to roll up your sleeves and restore a classic? We'll guide you through the process from planning to painting with tips to save money and achieve stunning results. Let's get wrenching. Choose a realistic project car with good parts availability. Start with something manageable and avoid getting overwhelmed. Success is within reach. Create a detailed budget, including unforeseen expenses. Stick to your budget to avoid financial surprises. Plan for the unexpected. Outline your goals and timelines in a detailed plan. Stay organized and on track throughout the restoration process. A clear plan is key to success. Invest in good quality hand tools, power tools, and specialty tools. Quality tools make the job easier and last longer. A worthwhile investment. Inspect for rust and address issues promptly. Rust is the enemy of any restoration project. Tackle it head-on. Never throw anything away. Salvage parts from old panels to save money. Every piece counts. Buy used parts from junkyards, online marketplaces, or trade with others. Be resourceful and save big on parts. Network with fellow enthusiasts. Source parts as you approach that step in the project. Avoid buying ahead and ending up with parts you don't need. Stay focused and efficient. Ensure bodywork is in good condition before painting. A smooth surface is essential for a flawless finish. Preparation is key. Use primer, color, and clear coat for a professional-looking paint job. Take your time and follow the instructions carefully. The results will speak for themselves. Reupholster seats, door panels, and headliners with original-like materials. Restore the interior to its former glory. Attention to detail matters. Restore dashboards and gauges to complete the interior transformation. Bring back the classic look and feel, a true labor of love. Perform regular inspections to catch potential problems early. Preventative maintenance is crucial for long-term reliability. Stay vigilant. Store your car in a dry, well-ventilated space and use a car cover. Protect your investment from the elements. Keep your classic looking its best. Change oil and check fluids regularly. Keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Don't neglect the basics. Be prepared to learn new skills. Restoration is a learning process. Embrace the challenge. Join a classic car club to connect with fellow enthusiasts. Share knowledge and get support from experienced restorers. Community is key. Be patient and persistent. Restoration takes time and effort. Don't give up. Enjoy small victories along the way. Celebrate your progress and stay motivated. Every step forward is a success. Research the car's history and parts availability. Knowledge is power. Understand your project inside and out. Ask professionals for advice when needed. Don't be afraid to seek help from experts. Learn from the best. Do pre-tasks and small jobs yourself to save money. Tackle what you can and build your skills. DIY is empowering. Now it's your turn. Dive into these car hacks and restoration ideas and transform your ride into something truly special. Share your progress with us in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome car content. Like this video if you found it helpful, and let's get wrenching.